welcome to day 9 of the 12 Days of Christmas YouTube Hop hosted by RosaKelly Scrapbooking. And also we have Deborah Adams Creative Life and myself, Kimmy Murray, Salty Beach Scrappers. And today I'm coming in with the challenge, a hidden reindeer. Now my reindeer is not exactly hidden, but I had to just go ahead and throw it in there because the original reindeer that I was going to use, and I'm trying to look for it. It was just, oh, here she is. See, the scale is too big, and I had already cut out everything that I needed for this, and so I thought, well, this is just going to take over the little sailboat. So I thought, well, that's not going to work. So I went ahead and used one of my charms that I recently purchased from Amazon. It was a bunch of silver charms that were Christmas themed. So the tag itself, I actually made one with the pattern paper, A Busy Sidewalk, and actually most of this collection is A Busy Sidewalk by Crate Paper, and I purchased this digital collection on American Crafts or AC Digitals, okay? So if you want to check it out, you definitely want to. I also have a few pieces in from the Fa La La collection, and I love it. But the tag itself I made, and I do have the tag available in my digital The Beauty of Christmas collection, and that's found in my Etsy shop. I'll have that link down below as well. And so first of all, I wanted to use 110-pound cardstock to print these images on, and I think it turned out really well. So I went ahead and did a top layer of the pattern, and then I did a bottom layer with the just plain white paper, okay? I just wanted to make it stronger, and also I want to have a white background that I could write my sentiment on or whatever I want to say in here. Now this tag is 4 inches wide by 6 inches tall, okay, or 6.5 inches tall. So this is pretty big. So I decided I'm going to go ahead and make it a card and pop it in a 5x7 envelope, okay, because I thought, well, this is kind of big. Unless you have a really big present, this size would work for you. But I was originally supposed to make it 3.5, and I just made a boo-boo. But anyway, I think it turned out to be a happy circumstance. So I really like how it turned out. The ribbon right here is from a company called Vatin, V as in Victor, A-T-I-N, and I found that I'm so sorry. They are on Amazon, and I really love their ribbons. So you definitely get a lot of it, and the price is very decent. And then again, this reindeer was from Amazon as well. I just used one of my flat back little jewels here for the top of the pole. We have a little red flag, and again, I just love how this turned out. I did pop the layers out with some foam tape that I also purchased on Amazon. I'll have that link down below. And then we have the Believe sentiment. I think this one actually came from the Fa La La collection, as well as this little sentiment here and the Merry Christmas. But the rest of the paper itself, besides the red cardstock and the white cardstock, is all from the A Busy Sidewalk collection. I just love it. I think it's so stinking cute. I especially love this Christmas plaid. It looks like a tablecloth, and it even has that kind of fuzzy look to it. So I really love that. But anyway, guys, stay tuned for the process video. And of course, I'm going to go through all your pieces first, and then we'll put it together. So stay tuned for the process video next. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started on the tutorial. So this tag is about 4 inches wide. Okay, so this is a big tag, and actually I'm going to be using it as a card. So I went ahead and did a white layer, and then I did the Busy Sidewalks. This looks like a checkered pattern, almost looks like a sweater pattern, but it looks more like maybe a tablecloth. But anyway, and then we have this cute little snowflake paper right here. And so these are my little tag files. Also, I created this Seas and Greetings sentiment right here, and then I also created a background in Cricut. So I created the words in Adobe, and then I just added a background. At first I wasn't sure I wanted one, otherwise I would have done that in Adobe. But anyway, so here is for the Printable, Cuttable, Creatable Sailboat file. So these are the pieces. So you're going to start out with your main piece, which is your background, right? And then you have your pieces that go on top, right? So you're going to have your pole. Okay. You're going to have the boat hull. Hull, I don't know how to pronounce that. Okay. And then you have several layers here. Okay. So that's always really nice. And so it's going to go something like this. Okay. And then we also have the seawater. And I will say that this is probably going to be hard to cut out. Mine did. You're going to need to use your fine tip cutting tool in order to do this particular file right here. So we have our little waves right here, ocean waves. And then we have the decoration for the hull of the boat, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and do this in a process video. I just wanted to go through the parts with you and show you how easy this is going to be to put it together. I am going to use foam tape to do a lot of layering, as I always do, and I hope you all like how it turns out. So I'll be back in a second. love how this tag turned out. I hope that you enjoyed this quick tutorial, and I hope that y'all decide to make one of these too in case you live by the coast, or if you live by a lake or something like that. This would be so fun to give to a friend, or you don't even have to be near any water. But anyway, guys, I hope you all love this. Don't forget to check out RosaKelly and Debbie Adams' channel. And again, I'll have all the links down below. I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day, and see you all tomorrow for day 10. Can you believe it already? We just have a couple more days left, guys. I can't believe it. All right, see you tomorrow.